Hey beauties, Andrea. So this is going to be a live curly hair routine, which I promised I was going to do a little while ago on a live video. And the only thing is, I am also recording this on my camera, so I will not leave the live one on. Hello. I'll edit the one on my camera and put it on live. Okay, guys? So just for a better view of everything through my camera. Okay, hope you're enjoying your weekend. Yes, I'm not yet. I will enjoy my weekend because I am going to go away for a little while one day. Because you know it's hard to find somebody to watch your kids while you go away, you know, especially when you have 3 kids. So my mom said yes, so I'm gonna take advantage of this. All right. Okay, so I just deep conditioned my hair using the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. All right, and by the way, this one is not that great. That's the only one I had. I ran out of masks. I never thought I would ever run out of product. But I detailed my hair with the Felicia Leatherwood Detangler, which looks like this. Alright, I recently reviewed it. Washed my hair with the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore shampoo. I love this so much. Okay, now the new product in this video is the Curly Magic's Curl Stimulator by Uncle Funky's daughter. It's a new one, alright? It's like a custard, a very light custard, and I've been using it for the past month. Okay, my hair is wet, just got out of the shower. If you want a balm, like for the day, a balm curly hair routine, deep condition that day when you wash. Like, it makes everything just much better. Even when you use a sucky deep conditioner like this one, you know, just leave it in there while you shower and things like that. I'm gonna use the Curly Enhancer Smoothie because it's been a while. And I have no idea if people still use it. Do you guys still use the Curly Enhancer Smoothie? It's probably the first product I ever reviewed on my channel back in 2012. Because I'm still staying. Well, when you get there, you probably understand it. I don't believe people really understand what it is to be a parent until they are a parent themselves, to be honest. Because I used to say a lot of stuff before. And once I became a parent, I understood what I said was very ignorant. But yeah, I learned my lesson. My husband actually, he was at Walmart with my daughter, and he saw a couple with holding their kid, and the kid had a backpack leash, you know, those leash on the backpack while the kid wears it so you won't lose the kid, I guess. Well, that's the purpose. So, and he made the comment in his head, like, who would do that to their kid, right? Literally, like seconds later, my husband went to get some milk, and he heard my daughter say, "Daddy, I want watermelon." He's like, "Yeah, I'll get, I'll make sure we get watermelon." And when he turned around, because he was getting milk in the fridge, my daughter was gone. Okay, gone. And that was like literally little seconds after he made that comment about that certain parent that he saw. My daughter was gone, and then my husband panicked. He was looking for her everywhere, went to the bathrooms, and then went to tell the manager to not let anybody out of Walmart, which there is 2 exits, until he finds his daughter. No one's getting out. I don't know where my daughter, she was like, "Hi daddy, hi daddy." My husband looked at her, I was like, "Where were you?" She was like, "I was just getting the watermelon." You don't understand. Where my husband was with my daughter was all the way at the other side of Walmart, and watermelon was at the one end of the store, and the fridge with the milk was at the other end of the store. For her to walk all the way there takes a long time, so I have no idea which way she took that my husband couldn't find her while walking down the aisle. Like, that was scary, and that my husband thought like that was a lesson from God because of the ignorant comment that he made. So nope. If you want to put a leash in form of a backpack on your kid, I agree. Never knew what it's like. Yeah. The deep conditioner, not this one. Okay, not this one. This is not a good one to use because I have it because I usually try to use every single product instead of throwing it away. So I'm just applying the custard, and I'll probably show you guys the results at the end when I edit it out. All right, so I'm just gonna twirl. Just a little bit. Oops. I usually go that side, whether I'm on this side or this side. Everything's going to be rolled that way. But yeah, that's what happened to my husband when he made an ignorant comment. And that happened to him. Yeah. I really like the custard, by the way, guys. The only thing I seen that stood out to me was it fragrance? Yes, it has natural fragrance. That is a good thing. It's very light. You see, it's not like the sticky, the sticky custards that I'm used to. It's very, very light. So if you're looking for a light custard, that's a good one. If you want to get away from Kinky Curly or Camille Rose, this is a light one, a lighter one than the other ones, okay? Yeah. So, little twirl. Little twirl. You do them with the same hand just in case, so I won't twirl the wrong way. But if obviously you're probably planning on being a parent, when is the right time? You'll know what to do. Okay. I don't have a mirror in front of me. It's literally just what I see. My hair type, I would consider 3B. Somebody's asking, so I'm gonna go really close. You see? That's very wet. I'll consider my hair 3B. I used to say 3B, 3C. Later on I realized, oh my goodness, my hair is not 3C at all. But yeah, it's 3B. I've been lying to you guys for a while. The thing is, my sister's hair is 3B as well, but hers is a tiny bit thinner than mine. But it still didn't make mine a 3C, so I'm a 3B. Let me see. It smells like... Oh my goodness, what does it smell like? I don't know what this smells like. Oh my. It just smells fresh and clean. Yeah. And my daughter's hair, okay, 3C4A, it is great on her hair, okay? It works really, really well. Her hair, it's funny, like it's thicker hair, but it doesn't like too thick of a product because it's easy to have build up, okay? So I get bored and I change the way I do things. I didn't twirl the back side on this side, but I will get back to it. I don't know why I didn't do it. Ooh, 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 ooh. I put something on Instagram asking, because I seen a lot of these videos going around, like this is so fun. Like, what are some assumptions that you guys might have about me? And I will answer them in a video on YouTube. But it's on my Instagram, official CurlsBeauty. And I was wondering, what do people even assume about me? Like, the only thing that I can remember that people might assume about me are from comments here on YouTube is the fact that, they think I'm a single mother. I don't know why I get a lot of that. Once they see a lot of kids, they already automatically think I'm a single mom. Don't know why. Maybe because I look so young. I don't know. They usually don't expect me to be married. Those are like the main things that I think of. I just saw someone say that I might look really cute with short hair. I don't think so because I have potato head. You see, I have potato head. I don't think I might look. I don't think I would look cute with short hair. My mom does. She has short hair right now, actually, and she has a round face. Though I think the round faces look really good with short hair. And the shortest hair I ever had that I can remember, which wasn't on purpose, was because of heat damage. I can't stand straight pieces, so I kept cutting it. It got that short, and I didn't even notice until I took a picture with my now husband. It was a long time ago, and no, I did not look good with it. So I don't know. Maybe I might look good to you with short hair, but if I ever go short, it'll be right here, and it'll be later on when I'm older. Yes, I have 4 kids. I look really young. It's in the family. Look like a baby. Let's see what time it is. Okay, because I have to go. That's why. See, I'm trying to like squeeze in a video, record a video before I leave. But See, it's super wet. That's why I'm gonna edit the end results here, and I'm recording with 2 different cameras, right here and right here. But see how wet it is? It's wet, and I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'll show you guys the results using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. All right, for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. And it's like a custard, and it's very light. It is not that sticky, which is kind of good. What brush? You're talking about this brush? The Felicia Leatherwood brush? I got it from the Felicia Leatherwood site. Alright? And that's where I got it from. Yeah, can you see it? The only thing I don't like about this brush, it worked on my hair. Okay, surprisingly it worked. The only thing I didn't like is because it's not as flexible. And if you really pay attention, most detangling brushes for us, textured hair or curly hair, they are better when they're more flexible than just stiff, you know? I was not surprised. I was actually, no, I was a little surprised when it did not work on Lexi Marcella here on YouTube, because most things that work on her works on me. But it is a little stiff, on the stiff side, so keep that in mind, okay? If I had to pick one brush in the whole world, it would be the Diamond brush. But, yeah, this is the brush. So I'm going to let my hair dry. I still cannot detect the scent of this. Let me see, what does it say that it has. It says organic, a lot of things. So aloe vera. Let me see, is it aloe vera? Organic somewhere. It might be aloe vera. You know how light scented aloe vera products can be. Let's wait for this to dry, and I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. So I am outside. My hair is 100% dry. All right, for the Uncle Funky's Daughter, I feel like it's not as moisturizing on the roots. It was like not only on the roots. So my roots are dry areas, my roots and my front hairs. So it wasn't as moisturizing as it was on my strands. So closer to the roots, it was kind of drying. And it's usually, like I said, I've been using it for over a month. Maybe about a month. So it's usually what happens, but it's a gray. As you can see, I'm going really close. See, this is dry. Look how beautiful it looks. Looks really, really moisturizing. So it is still a great product, but if you have problems with certain areas of your hair, certain parts tend to be drier, make sure you add a more moisturizing base so it won't be as dry, because it does not help that much for the drier areas. But other than that, I actually like it. I like it as a light custard alternative, okay? And I do recommend it. It's just not as moisturizing as you would expect the custard to be when it comes to your drier areas. You see? Right, my roots right there. And right here in the front, my dry area right there, see? It's not as I would like it for it to be. Put it to the back. And yeah, I am speaking out of experience with other custards that were really moisturizing. When it comes to this one, you need a more moisturizing base, alright? But that's it. Look how pretty it looks though, regardless of the little bump. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the thumbs up. And bye guys. Mwah.